Here we are, one of India's most promising biotechnological companies, placing its first bet in America right here in the great state of New Jersey. I would argue that that does not happen by accident. It's a combination of a whole series of factors. Talent, location, the nation's premier innovation economy, especially in the biopharma life sciences. But it also has something to do with our deep ties to India, ties of which we are extraordinarily proud, and each day we try to deepen. So this is an incredible state-of-the-art facility. In the fullness of time, it will have hundreds of very high-quality, value-added jobs created. It's an over $50 million commitment.
We're thrilled today to be here with Enzene Biosciences to celebrate the opening of their very first biotech manufacturing facility in the United States, right here at the Innovation West campus in Hopewell Township, New Jersey.
This is just not steel and concrete. This is months and years of your hard work, your ideas, your perseverance. We are building more than a factory, we are building hope. Biotechnology has the power to solve some of the world's hardest problems.
I think we need to make a difference to the world around us, and that's how the journey started. So it's his dream that has really brought us here, so I really want to thank him for not just dreaming big, but being the force behind making that dream a reality. So as I said, this is really truly a surreal moment for us. We've always had incredible people. A lot of them are here, and a lot of them have worked on this campus for 15 years and now are part of Enzene. We've always been able to hire great people. They become part of our journey, and they bring their passion for innovation in life every day, day in, day out, and make something special. And that's what I'm looking for. We've cut a ribbon today for the future top biotech American company.
The team at Enzene took an idea and they created something that is real and functional. We are the next generation. We're here to deliver innovation.
This team right here is proof that with determination, vision, and collaboration, nothing is out of reach.